Okay, let's do a little ride around Samara. While it's not raining, my bicycle chain keeps coming off, so I've had to try to work on it, but no tools, of course. I need a larger wrench, and the nuts on the wheel are rusted. So I'm leaving where I'm staying right up the street from the school right now. And the school's right up the street there. I'll take a lap down there on my way back. Gracias. Alright. This is side street coming off 160. Nosada is on the left, and going into Samara, go right. It's a holiday weekend. There's an Annexacion 200th anniversary. This province of Guanacaste was annexed 200 years ago into Costa Rica. So, there's a grocery store. When I came off that street, if you go left, there's a grocery store next door called Super China. Here's one on the left called Polly in the green. And then there's one right next door to it that's air conditioned called Rest something. Ritamas. Got some good food right straight ahead at Coco's Mexican restaurant, and really good craft brew at Dos Gringos Brewery. I've been having some of their beers. Stick right here. There's all kinds of little bars and restaurants on this main drag. Been hanging out here at Limey's on the right quite a bit. Bunch of expats in there. Take a ride, do a little loop around the soccer field here. Ate at Teca Beach Bar and Restaurante here on the right one night. It was pretty good. They start off a really party weekend, but the rain, it's just, I mean, it's been raining for 2 days. It's really putting a damper on things. It's kind of subdued this morning. I mean, it's also only 10 o'clock in the morning. But I don't know, they started 5 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Fireworks, I was like, what the heck? This is July 27th, 2024. Beach seems to be happening every day. It's really good waves. I mean, for beginner surfers, they got a couple of surfing schools. I ate at the Sheriff's restaurant here yesterday. It was pretty good. Do a walk down here. Yeah, Sheriff's Rustic. That was pretty good yesterday. Right on the beach here on the right. It's not a pretty day today. Cloudy, been raining. Get a little view here. So there's a lot of people already on the beach Saturday morning. See a few people out there trying to surf. Okay. Continue around this little loop. Won't take long. It's a small, very small town. Little park here on the right. Bunch of families hang out there when it's not raining. Oh, I think the market's today. We'll go drive by there. Yeah, that's why everybody's here. The market's going on today. Hell, might park the bike and do a walk through the market. Find a place for my bike here. That looks good. All right, let's walk through the market quick. Might have to come back here. Like they got a little bit of everything. Fruits, vegetables, wine, art stuff. I'm just doing a walkthrough. I may have to come back over here. Look at all those fresh vegetables and greens. I'd like to find me a good hammock. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna finish our walk around. Our ride around the Samara. I've gotten where I don't even lock the bicycle. Seems unnecessary. About half the people do, half the people don't. Got a piece of wire stuck in my... There we go. Okay. Alright, let me clamp this back on here. Alright, let's continue around. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back here. I saw some Pan Dulce that I got an eyeball on. Anyway, that's how you get to the market on Saturdays. I did a shortcut through. I'm looping back around. Neat little restaurant here on the left called La Ancla. I went in there Sunday. They had a little live band, and I had one of their local dishes they only serve on Thursdays and Sundays called chifrijo, rice and beans topped with pico de gallo, roasted pork, pork skin, avocados. It's very good. Lots of little places to stay on the left and right. The beach is on the left here. We were coming from the opposite direction a while ago when I took a left to go to the market. Really nice. This Samara treehouse there looks nice. That La Ancla looks real nice. Okay, so this is where it's coming from that direction. We took a left to go to the market, which is where this guy's going right here. So I'm going to spin back around and go this way. Right back by La Ancla. I rented this bike off a site called like Samara Info. They do a little bit of everything, tours, all kinds of stuff, and they delivered it right to, well, I'm going to the school, but they delivered it right to the school for $35 a week. And there's several bike rental places here in town, but they're about $15 a week more. So the only problem with it is the chains come loose. I had a 3-mile bike ride yesterday to the air park to ride in the gyrocopter, and the chain came off twice. Luckily I'm a retired mechanic, popped it back on, but kind of dangerous. I had to use my tennis shoes as brakes one time because I was going downhill. That was interesting. Okay, so we're gonna ride up this hill here. I'm not sure this little beach cruiser and me can make it up this hill without stopping to walk. But this is the road where this truck's coming from. To the left goes back to Samara, and to the right goes to Playa Carrillo, the beach there. From what I can see, there just ain't much there. There's some real nice, I can get off and walk. Some real nice homes. I actually flew over yesterday in the the gyrocopter. Didn't seem to be a lot of beach bar, or none I could see. So I decided I'm not riding down there. So now we're going right back into Samara. And we'll head back to where I'm staying by the school and do a loop at the beach. The bus stop's right here also, so you need a bus. It's right here on the right. I guess that's what they told me. This Roots Bakery right here, just left. It's supposed to be really good. My proprietor provides me with breakfast, and her breakfast is really good, so no need for me to go out for breakfast. And then if you need a doctor, this place on the corner, Centro Medico Samara, that's the place. It's supposed to be open 24 hours. Luckily I haven't needed one. Looks like it's open also. Alright, now we're back on 160 going towards Samara with the grocery stores on the right, Reedman's, Holly. Action starting to pick up a little bit. People were waking up from the party last night. Left here with this tall peak-shaped buildings where you go to school. I'll swing and show you where it's been. So the other Super China grocery store is right here, so you just walk out the door. They seem to have the best prices. No, I'm not sure. Okay, let's do a U-turn. Super China right here. Let's do a swing by the beach. Luckily it hasn't rained on this little trip. Here's where I'm staying on the left. Place for the school. Cultura. And the beach, just go out the back side gate of school and you're on the beach. Pretty cool. So on our breaks we sit out here. Here's the school right here. Pretty big school. We've got a big open area that's covered for our breaks and gatherings. Alright, back to the room. So it's a, 3-4 minute walk if you walk it. Right now I'm a student staying at this place, but supposedly there's a family coming in tonight. I think she said they're from maybe Guatemala, but I don't know why they're going to Spanish school. I don't know, still learning Spanish. Maybe she said they live in Guatemala, but they're from the United States. That would make sense because she used Guatemala and Estados Unidos in the same sentence. I only started trying to learn Spanish like 3 months ago, so if I hear the word cerveza, I know. I have a feeling she's going to try to clean my room today, and I really don't need it clean. Just need my clothes washed. Plus I left the air conditioner on, which is, they want you to turn the air conditioner off when you're not there. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Okay, that was my little tour